Hey, good morning, friends. It is Jeff Robinson here with Scarlet Machinery, and today we're going to be talking about this new piece of crown molding that a customer is asking us to machine for them. What we have here is just a curved piece of crown requested by a customer, and what we were given was two pieces of geometry. First of all, we were given the cross section or the profile of the molding, and then we're also given this lower line, which is the line to which they were scribed in the field, or however they received that shape. So what we had to do in this case was to model this up and get this effectively machined on Fusion 360 and our CNC router. So what we did here is we created a sketch where we sketched out a platen or a base, if you will, that we mounted the piece of crown to. We did this for two reasons. One is we wanted to make sure that we knew exactly where that piece of crown was in relationship to the machine, and we also wanted to make sure we didn't hit the screws. So we created this sketch. You can kind of see here the shape is on the sketch itself. So we machined that onto a base plate. This base plate is just simple 3/4 inch particle board, and we traced it with a V-bit and pre-drilled the screw holes for our screws to mount the board to. So on there we have the crown itself, and then our third body we actually modeled up the actual material. We did this for several reasons, but the main reason is so that we can see where it is in space and make sure that the software knows where the material is so that we can effectively remove material and not get too much air cuts. So from here, we, like I said, machined or traced in the pattern. We drilled the holes. We used Fusion 360's adaptive clearing to remove majority of the material. We used three finish passes right on these square shoulders, and what that's doing is finishing those square corners where the ball nose is going to miss. From there, we use steep and shallow to finish it off in one toolpath. We can talk later about this. If you have questions about steep and shallow toolpaths, feel free to reach out. It's an amazing toolpath that does pretty much everything you want it to do the first time. It's pretty sweet. So that's how we did it in Fusion 360. So let's go out to the machine and take a look and see what it looks like being machined.